Apa nih?
Pulang.
Pulang kemana?
Pulang ke Mekah. Angin, angin, hujan, hujan. Tahu?
Nah. Apa? Gimana?
Ke Mekah.
Kerobokan, angin, angin, hujan.
Tahu.
Well, anyway, guys, this is today 4:30. The wind's so strong. All the chairs is falling over. All the fenders in here. Oh, what happened? What happened? What happened? Demo. Oh, cyclone, cyclone. Oh, the wind is coming too early, guys. Normally the wind is around January, February. You can see the winds blowing. Yeah, you can see the sands blowing. It's very strong. And I would say tomorrow would be full of rubbish. I would say that because I've been in here for 17 years, so I know what it looks like when the wind's strong like this, especially coming from the sea, and it will bring the rubbish to the beach, and it will dirty again. A lot of jobs to do. Hey, kemana? Baru jam segini.
Terbang.
All the aunties, all the vendors in here. Gimana ini?
Biar kelihatan muka aku, Chan.
Hey guys, Robin, come to Robin. No money for, it's been a week, no money.
No money, no honey.
Now we got no money, no dadong.
No honey.
No money, no dadong.
Kemarin di mana tuh kau gini? Banjirnya yang mana?
Banjir?
Ya, yang mana kamu film itu?
Nakula. Woi. Woi. Tony, what's going on, bro? New model. Oh yeah, Tony's new model. The new model 2026.
Yeah.
New model.
New model.
New model. I'm not sure if this is strong. It's quite strong. New model. New model.
New model from Tony Lockett.
Tony Lockett. New model Tony Lockett.
The advocate Australia.
Yeah.
This new model.
New model, guys. New model. What is going on with the aunties over here? They're all facing to the hotel now because the wind is so strong. Barang lope-lope muna. Okay mak. Okay mak, okay. Lope, wish. Jadi tempat tidur. Jadi tempat tidur. Sekota lidi. Lope-lope. Ada lope-lope. Wow, the wind's very strong. Everyone close. Hey, mana nih buka tutup ini? Nggak apa-apa, kasih payung. The satays go home early, guys. The satay ladies go home. Para. Para. Udah bagus lapangannya nih. Look at the sand, guys. It's nice and clean. Nice and very clean. Look. Ah. So everyone close now. Peh. That's all the way to my face. The wind's straight to my face. No, the sand. Oh, I don't know what I'm talking about. Kamu gini-gini garus aja kamu.
Biasalah bos.
330.
360.
Oh, I thought you said 330.
360 camera. Arab?
Mantap.
See you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Have a good day.
Everyone close now, guys. Even Joseph is close.
Yes, brother. How are you today?
Good brother. Tutup waktunya. Go home early ya. Go home early. Itu yang ditunggu-tunggu nih. Go home early. What's going on, brother?
Pasar diam ini, pasarnya naik sih.
Datang lagi nih?
Ya, pasarnya naik. Dagang. Oh, tutup ya dulu nih.
Tutup iyalah.
Orang ini nggak bisa diam juga.
Angin pasirnya juga terbang.
Pasar naik juga kamu ini tadi. Apa mana dia udah?
So everyone is close, guys. Also to Pem. There we go, the current situation from here. I would say the wind's coming too early. I mean, normally, like I said earlier, the wind's coming January. Hey! Siapa suruh nutup?
Saya yang tutup. Tolong recording.
There you go, banning. Look at this. Pem got a banning.
Okay, Mike. Oh,
Banning, mate.
Pem.
Banning straight. Everyone got a banning now. Banning is quite famous now. Banning.
Windy, Mike.
Paradise.
Bloody windy, Mike.
Bloody windy, mate. Hey, what's going on, brother? Any garus today? No garus today. No business. No garus mean no business, guys. It's chaos in here, but yeah, it is what it is now. Windy. Too windy. Windy. All aunties go home now. It's time to go home. Oh dear. I reckon very soon the rain will be coming. We can see the rain is there already. But I like the color of the sky. Like a rainbow color. Oh, guys, this is nice. Joseph Beach Bar donation of food supplies for the orphanage. Oh, that is cool and new things. I didn't know that. Anyway, if you wanna do do donation with Joseph Beach Bar, you can ask him more details about it. Morning tomorrow, brother. Good. Morning tomorrow. Ayo. G'day. Good, thank you. Huh? I'm from Nigeria. Yeah. Oh, it's time to go home, guys. It's time to go home. Parah, pulanglah kita biar tidur dulu. Oh. Uncle Michael.
Hey, how are you, my friend?
What happened, Uncle?
Cruise na the bus.
Hey. All the aunties and uncles in here, hey, buying gorengan. Hey. Rame. That's what the aunties do, guys, in here. When it's quiet, they're sitting together in here and eating gorengan. Good. Huh? Saya mau pakai, Mak. Happy aunties, even though the situation and condition like this, all of the aunties are happy. There's no reason to be mad, you know. Just be happy. It is what it is. Just be happy. Be happy. Adam Kon! Uranus is coming. Hey, get up, brother.
See you all the time.
Good, my man.
How are you, mate?
Good, brother.
All good.
How's your holiday, man?
Been really good.
Been good?
It's a bit windy now, though.
Yeah, I know. But oh, it could be worse.
That's it.
As long as the beer cold, and it's fine. All
Very
good.
good. Very good.
Restaurant has a roof for you to sit on, so we'll be alright.
Yeah, we'll be good.
Go in the pool.
Yeah, have a cocktail and bintang.
Yeah.
It's good. Just boys.
Yeah.
Oh,
just brother.
you escaped
We go
from
home tomorrow.
wife. There we go.
That's it.
Oh, you guys
Alright.
enjoy.
You take care.
You have a good day, brother.
See you, mate.
I escaped from wife. Escape from the cage. Pulang, Nil. Pulang si Nil, Lid. Pulang dia. Pulang si Nil. Cheers, guys.